how to make Discord use less RAM on your computer. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're using a desktop mode version of your Discord, then to fix the high RAM usage in your device, what you can do is simply head over to your settings. As you can see, I'm using a desktop website version. If you are using the desktop version, the setting is same. Simply head over to your accessibility option, and from over here, just make sure you turn this section off where it says sync contrast setting. It will save a lot of RAM for you as well. And once you do that, I want you to dive straight into the voice and video section. And once you're inside here, just make sure you have turned on the hardware acceleration and this option, audio codec option, as you can see. And from over here, what you can disable is just make sure if your computer doesn't support AVA, just make sure you have disabled that. And the main uh, reason here is you have to turn this off, this option called display debugging, display stream information on video title on mouse over. So once you do that, you might want to come to the advanced section straight, and you just make sure you have turn the developer mode off. It will save you tons of RAM. And as you can see, I am not seeing a gaming overlay option, but in your app you might be able to say gaming overlay option, and from there you might want to toggle that off as well. And that is it guys. So that is exactly how you can easily set the RAM free from Discord, set the Discord to use less RAM. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.